Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to export Instagram reels with transparent backgrounds in CapCut. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply tap open your CapCut app. So once you open your CapCut app, you need to simply go to new projects and you need to select a video. So once you import a video, you can simply go and find this option called remove background. You can simply do auto removal, or you can simply use a manual remover to remove this background. After you have done this, you can simply export this video by downloading it into your device. Once this is done, you can then simply post the video to your Instagram reel. For a multi-layered effect, you can also create a reel with layered effects by combining two clips. After this, you will get a Instagram reel with transparent background with the help of CapCut. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.